Hello everyone, good evening. So, finally, today I'm here again on my talk show, which is called Health Talkies. And I'm really proud that we have today with us Pallavi Arora, who is a therapist, counselor of mental health. And I'm really excited. I have already a lot of questions from my students who have questions for her. So it's good to connect with everyone. Hi Abhishek. Hi Deep. Hi Itika. Hi Monica. So good to know that you all people are connecting. I'm just waiting. She will be joining us here any moment. And if make sure जो चीज़ें वो cover करेंगी आज अपने live session में, उसके बाद भी अगर आपके कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं उनसे, so she can revert you. And we have Tapusi with us. We have Prem. Hi guys. Thank you so much for joining in. Any moment Pallavi is joining us here. So stay tuned for this session because as you all know, it's a lockdown period and virus is around. Good evening. Good evening, Sonali. Hi Deepak. Good to see you. So Pallavi is just here, guys. I must welcome her. She is just joining us. Waiting for her to join me. She'll be here any moment. Hi Chandu. Yes. Hi Sonali. So guys, please feel free to ask any questions related to your stress, whatever you are feeling during these days. Because hi Neha, I have a lot of people who were saying me that मैम हमारे बहुत questions हैं, आप please किसी को live लेके आइए जो therapist हो, counselor हो, and she will be answering some amazing questions. I'm just waiting for her to join me. She'll be here any moment. Hi Shruti.
Hi, Payal. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, but you are not visible to us, Pallavi.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong with my video.
Okay. What you can do, Pallavi, you can just
Hmm.
disconnect once and join back again. Join the live again, and I'll send you the request. Hi, we have Ruhi with us. Hi, everyone. Hope you're doing good. So just waiting for Pallavi to join in. She'll be here any moment. I hope this time she will be joining us. Just waiting for her. Yes, Shruti, thank you so much. She's again connecting. Pallavi?
I'm here. I think you can hear me, but still not see me, right? I think
Yeah.
my video is still not visible. I'm trying to figure this out and see what's going wrong.
It's okay, Pallavi. Take your time. We
Hmm.
can wait for you.
Okay. Do you have any suggestions though on what I might be doing wrong here?
There must be a video option. There must be a video option. You need to click on it.
I can't
Or
see
the
any
or the
option.
best way, what you can do, you just we can have the audio only, no problem, but we need video, Shruti. People want to see her, they want to talk to her. What you can do, Pallavi, just close once, go back, and once you open your Instagram, you will see Go Fitness Live, right? You can just log in there, and I will send you the request so you can join us. Can you try that? So we have Ruhi. Thank you. Hi, Anjana. Hi, Neha. Thank you guys for joining us. I know it is a great session. You guys are here. And I'm so excited that all my students are joining me. Apart from that, we have a lot of amazing people joining us for this session. There is some issue with the video of Pallavi. We are just trying to figure out. If Shruti, you can help her. You can call her and check what's wrong with the video. Hi Priyanka, good to see you. Good evening. Hi Nikhil, good to see you. A lot of people are joining us. Good evening. Be ready with your questions. Hi Richa. Thank you so much for joining in. So we will be actually figuring out today. आप लोगों ने बहुत सुना होगा मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में, और आज ही मॉर्निंग में मैंने आर्टिकल पढ़ा था कि बहुत लोग इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में दे आर फेसिंग मेंटल हेल्थ चैलेंजिंग. बहुत स्ट्रेस हो रहा है. दे डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू एट व्हाट टाइम. Yes, Sonali, we are just waiting for her. Let's see if we can figure out, or I'll call her on the audio only so she can keep talking. So we have Zubin with us. Hi, Zubin. Hi, Richa. Hi, Pallavi. So I was telling you about the article I read today in the morning, that there are many people, like more than 70% of our population is facing stress at this time. So actually, this is the time when we need to keep our mind calm, and it is very important for all of us. Just wait, she's trying to join in. Any moment she'll be here. Oh, waiting for Pallavi to join in. Yes, right. This session is really needed at the moment. Lot of students are, and lockdown is giving us so much depression. Hi, Pallavi. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Can you?
Yes, we can. But you are
But
not on video. But it's okay. Everyone, I think we should continue the session like this only, because there is some
yeah,
problem with her video. So, Pallavi, thank you so much for joining in. It's a pleasure to have you on Go Fitness Academy Instagram handle. And we just want you to just tell a brief about yourself, what you do. And guys, you will not able to see her, but definitely she'll be a great help, so you can drop her questions, right? So Pallavi, please, over to you. Pallavi, are you there, Pallavi? Hi Pallavi, can you hear us? Pallavi, hello. Waiting for her. Lot of problem in technical issues these days going live. I think a lot of people are going live at the same time, might be. Let's see if we'll able to connect with her. Wishing best, because a lot of people are waiting. Otherwise, anyway, I can be your, counselor for the day, and I will be handling all the queries as usual.
hi, Payal.
Yeah, so you are back.
Yes, but I think it just automatically, I just drop out. I don't know what's happening. I think every 2 minutes it just logs me out automatically. I'm not sure what the reason is.
No worries. Pallavi, give your brief introduction to all of people who are waiting for you here.
Yes. So, I'm a counseling.
I think we again lost her. There is a problem with the network badly. I'm so sorry to everyone that you all are waiting so desperately to talk to her, and she's not able to come online. Let me try once again to send her a request. stay tuned, everyone. I hope you're gonna love this session. I'm trying to figure out Pallavi. I can't see her even. I'm not able to. Yes. Let's see. Send her a request again to join us. Hi, Pallavi. Finally, we can see you. Hi.
That this is not going to drop out again.
I hope so.
Fine.
So thank you so much for joining us. People are really waiting for you, and there was, I think, problem with the network, and
Yes,
not a
I'm
problem.
hoping this is going to be better now,
Yeah,
and I'm not going to log off.
I think now you will
Uh,
be with us. So
yes, yes.
welcome to Go Fitness Academy Health Talkies, and we are really blessed to have you. As you know, the situation is really going hard among all the, fitness industry and people who are around. So first, let us
Mhm.
start with your brief introduction. Please tell us something
Yes,
about yourself.
right. So, firstly, thank you for having me. Thank you for calling me here. It's my pleasure as well.
Yes.
To just introduce myself very quickly, I am a counseling psychologist. So, I have done my master's in counseling psychology, and now I have been practicing for over 3 years, a little over 3 years. So, I mostly work with adults. In the past, I have briefly worked with children, but most of my work in the last 3 years has been with adults who are working, maybe adolescents,
Mm-hmm.
late teenage years. And yeah, I pretty much have clients with different sorts of concerns. So as a counseling psychologist, I take therapy sessions, of course, right now online,
Okay.
because everything is remote.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I will mostly see clients related to work-related stress, relationship concerns, grief,
Okay.
trauma, all of those
Okay,
things.
okay, okay, great. So I think today you will be having a lot of questions to deal because my students are eagerly waiting for you. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
there is simply a question. We have also Shruti with us pinning the comments back to back. So our first question, she simply shoot out here that how do we keep a check on our mental health? This is a big question these days. Everybody is facing. तो आप थोड़ा सा बता दीजिए कि एक्चुअली मेंटल हेल्थ होता क्या है और लोगों को उससे कैसे डील करना चाहिए.
Right, right. So I think firstly, this is a very, very broad question that you are asking me, of course, especially of how to deal with this. But I think in general, when we are talking about mental health, I think it's mostly about your well-being of, how are you feeling or how are you relating to yourself or, what is your perception of yourself? How are you relating to other people? Your health in terms of your relationships, how you are being able to work. I think all of those things come under the broad view of mental health. And with mental health, we are not saying that you should not feel upset, you should not feel low, या आपको कभी बुरा नहीं लगना चाहिए, गुस्सा नहीं आना चाहिए, or all of those things. I think that's not what mental health, being mentally healthy means. I think it only means that even if you are feeling all of these things, or if you are experiencing stress, you have resources to cope with that stress.
Okay, okay.
Now you know what you can do in those moments when things become difficult. You are able to reach out to people. I think that's also a big part of mental health.
Mm-hmm.
If I am someone who takes care of my mental health, then that will mean that I can also reach out to people and let them know that, I'm struggling,
Okay,
or
okay.
I can do this myself, and can you help me with it? I think
Mm-hmm.
that also becomes a part of our mental health. So I
Okay,
think it's just about, focusing on how you're also feeling, just being with yourself. I think a lot of us talk about physical fitness and
mm,
physical wellness, and it's of course important.
yeah,
But I think you will also probably agree that if I am, focusing on my physical wellness, but I am not feeling okay,
yes.
that just is of no use.
Because
Because if
I personally feel that physical and mental fitness should be together, health, and it is very important because जैसे कि आपने बताया कि अगर हम फिजिकली फिट हैं बट अगर हम मेंटली फिट नहीं है तो थिंग्स विल नॉट वर्क, राइट? I myself,
Right.
I'm an NLP coach and I practice NLP regularly. So that's make
Right.
me understand how the mental health is actually really important for people to understand. So
True. True.
there's a question also comes, Pallavi. Sometimes people think कि हम थेरेपिस्ट के पास क्यों जाएं, हमें मतलब
Hmm.
वो लोगों को बहुत डर लगता है. So in this case, what do you want to answer to them that why therapist is really important in their life when they are facing such problems?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I think you are absolutely right in saying that people are very hesitant. उनको बहुत डर लगता है, and I think also because of course ऐसा नहीं है कि stress या ये जो सब issues होते हैं वो पहले नहीं होते थे. Right. Of course different तरह की concerns हैं and different level का stress है, but that was always the case. But we would just not speak up about it.
Okay.
Now people are more open to speaking about it, but I think one very major thing is that we still don't know what therapy is.
Okay.
And usually आप सुनते हैं काउंसलर, जैसे हमारे स्कूल्स में काउंसलर्स बहुत टाइम से, जब मैं स्कूल में थी तब भी काउंसलर थे, अभी भी आप तो और ज्यादा आई थिंक इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट कि देयर आर काउंसलर्स. बट यूजुअली काउंसलर्स को भी ऐसे देखते हैं कि अच्छा कोई अगर इफ अ चाइल्ड इज नॉटी उसको काउंसलर के पास भेज दिया जाए. तो इट ऑलमोस्ट नीड्स टू बी लाइक अ पनिशमेंट. So I think that is one of the reasons why people don't understand what counseling is about, what therapy is about. Then I think when we also talk about mental health, हमारा सबसे पहला thought होता है about a psychiatrist. We are going to go to a doctor and they will tell us कि हाँ आपके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है, they will give us medication, वो कुछ diagnosis करेंगे and all of those things. But it's very important to understand that a psychiatrist is different and a psychologist or a therapist is very different. So a psychiatrist is a doctor who has done their MBBS, MD, and then they will do a diagnosis and they will give you medication if you have things like depression or anxiety, or any of those mental health issues.
Okay.
Right? But counselor or a therapist is someone who is not a doctor. So firstly, I am not a doctor. With the people who come to me for sessions, they will come to me for depression and anxiety. Of course, I don't give them medicines, but we deal with a lot of other things that could help them. And it's not just depression and anxiety. I think it's more every issues of, like I will have clients who will say कि मुझे गुस्सा बहुत आता है.
Exactly.
I remember एक client थे who would, tell me that मेरे वर्क प्लेस पे आई एम वेरी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. उनके बॉस उनको बहुत ज्यादा काम दे रहे थे, वो ही डिडंट नो हाउ टू से नो, so he would take on a lot of work, he would not be able to delegate, he will not be able to say no, so that was creating a lot of frustration. And because he couldn't say it in the office, so all of that would come out in the personal space. Where he would get very angry with his child, or with his wife, or that would create a lot of irritability and frustration. So I think it's very important for everyone to understand, and this is something that I also want to tell people, that going to a therapist does not have to mean that you are dealing with something that you can't handle. Firstly, it's just about seeking someone else's opinion and taking their help. So I'm not saying कि आप अपने stress को deal नहीं कर सकते. Of course आप कर सकते हैं and आप ही कर रहे हैं. But you are just taking my opinion and help to figure out what can make it easier.
What can make it? Because there are a lot of people जिनको ये पता ही नहीं चल पाता पल्लवी कि हमें शायद साइकोलॉजिस्ट की या थेरेपिस्ट की जरूरत है. सो हाउ दे कैन मेक लाइक डिफरेंशिएट, कैसे कर सकते हैं कि उनको एक साइकेट्रिस्ट की जरूरत है या एक थेरेपिस्ट की जरूरत है? इसको आप कैसे आंसर करोगे?
Right. I think usually either one of those भी, अगर आप अगर साइकाइट्रिस्ट के पास भी जा रहे हैं, it's always a good idea that you are complementing it with therapy. just like how we say कि अगर आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हैं तो you can't just workout, आपको साथ में डाइट भी अच्छा लेना पड़ेगा.
True, true,
Both those things go together, right?
true, true.
So similarly, even with your mental health,
Hmm.
even if you are taking medication, then उसके साथ साथ you
Hmm.
can continue with therapy also, क्योंकि
Hmm.
आप बाकी लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस
Hmm.
क्या कर सकते हैं, आप वो इश्यूज के साथ डील कैसे कर सकते हैं, जो एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम है उसको कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं,
Hmm.
वो सब चीजें थेरेपी में ही फिगर आउट कर पाएंगे. विद अ साइकाइट्रिस्ट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट और ऑलमोस्ट अनलाइकली दैट विल
Okay,
हैपन.
okay.
Right? If you are confused of whom you can go to, then again you can make that choice. You can either first go to a therapist, maybe talk about these things, and as a therapist या as a counselor, अगर मेरे पास कोई client आ रहे हैं जो you know which I think कि उनको शायद medication से भी help होगा, then I refer them to a
Okay,
psychiatrist.
okay, okay.
I think sometimes people get a little more worried when you tell them to go to a psychiatrist, क्योंकि फिर उनको लगता है कि they will give us medication, तो वो नहीं हमें लेना. So I think it's simpler and easier for people to reach out to a therapist sometimes.
Oh, great. That's a very good information because बहुत लोग ऐसे होते हैं कि जिनको पता ही नहीं होता कि उनको किसके पास जाना है. So this I think will be a great help for people who are watching us. And now the question which is very important, आपको पता है लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, कोरोना वायरस है, people are depressed, especially people who are in fitness industry, gyms नहीं open हो रहे. So being a therapist, आप क्या उनको suggest करेंगे? Because बहुत irritation है. A lot of female, they are at home and घर का काम भी करना पड़ रहा है. There is no helping hand. Babies को भी देखना है. So what is your suggestion and your take on this? कि इस चीज को, ये जो हमारा time है, we don't know कि आगे अभी और कितने महीने ऐसे ही चलने वाला है. And people are actually getting very irritated, बहुत depressed हैं, तो आप कुछ suggestions देना चाहेंगे उनको?
Right. So I think that's a great question that you are asking, and of course, इसके answer में भी सबका life situation is going to be very different. I think what you are also bringing is from your own experience of being a working parent. Right. So I think similarly, whether you are a working parent or just a working professional, some people are staying alone in this lockdown. So I think वो सबके situations and experiences are very different. So specifically what works for every person is something that I won't be able to get into. But I think basic on a very general level, some of the things that we need to remember is, firstly, like you said, that वो जो frustration है, irritation है, just feeling upset or just feeling very like finding it difficult to deal with this, I think that is something जो बहुत natural है अभी इस time पे.
Okay.
I all of us are dealing with a lot of things, and on an everyday basis हम लोग news सुन रहे हैं, which is not very nice.
I suggest my students don't watch news. Don't watch the first thing in the morning. Never watch a news. Because I think it really put impacts in the mind. वो सारा दिन दिमाग में इतने केस यहाँ पे आए, इतने केस यहाँ पे आए, वही चलता रहता है.
Right. And I also had some clients जो बहुत ही regularly track कर रहे थे news को रोज कि अच्छा, क्योंकि obviously we are all getting impatient and we want to know कि अच्छा कोई is it improving, is it not getting better, कब तक ऐसे रहना पड़ेगा, when will we be able to go out. So I think that general level of anxiety and uncertainty is very high. And it's important for us to accept that this is a very natural response. अभी इस time पे हम लोग expect नहीं कर सकते कि everything is going to be absolutely fine, या on some level this is not going to affect us. Right. It will affect us because it is all around you, and mostly because no one has answers. Right. I think one of the main things that I'm hearing from clients these days is that we don't know anything. We don't know, what the virus is about. We don't know how deadly it is. We don't know when the lockdown is getting over. We don't know when things will settle down. We basically know nothing at this point.
Right.
So I think it's important to know that is going to happen. So there is nothing to get panicked about. Like you said, restrict your consumption of news. So first thing in the morning, या last thing before going to bed, don't check the news. Also, अगर आप news देख रहे हो, तो make sure कि आप सिर्फ एक ही कोई रिलायबल सोर्स से पढ़ रहे हो, या तो WHO के अपडेट या फिर कोई भी एक न्यूज़पेपर या एक चैनल के अपडेट्स आप देख रहे हो, सब जगह के अपडेट्स नहीं ले रहे। एंड कीप अ टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ कि दिन में
स्पेशली
सिर्फ इसी टाइम पे विल
फॉरवर्डेड
चेक इट।
मैसेजेस पे विश्वास नहीं करना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं करना। uh, वो तो एज अ रूल आई थिंक नॉट ओनली फॉर द पैंडेमिक बट अदरवाइज ऑल्सो फॉरवर्डेड न्यूज पे डोंट रिलाई ऑन दैट एज मच, यू नो, go to reliable news channels or get updates from reliable sources. Varna unnecessarily it will create a lot of panic and fear. Right. Second thing is कि decide for yourself कि अभी इस time पे what can you control and what can you not control. अभी पैंडेमिक कब तक चलेगा, how long the lockdown is going to go for, when will we go out, when the restrictions will be lifted. These are things that we can't really control. Then again how other people are behaving कि अच्छा वो लोग social distancing नहीं कर रहे तो वो लोग समझ क्यों नहीं रहे हैं, that this is important. That also frustrates us a lot.
Yes.
So it's important to know that what you can't control and you will have to just accept that and let it be. What you can control is something that you can look at.
Yeah.
So abhi, if you are at home and you don't have an option of going out, now that's something it's not in our hands right now. At home, how can you make the best use of this time?
Yeah.
So can you do something that a lot of people are struggling with is कि उनके plans बहुत सारे change हो गए हैं कि किसी ने plan किया होगा to get married, someone would have planned कि I will move to a different city or I will change my job. Multiple plans, and abhi is time pe making plans is also very difficult.
Yeah.
So no, we will have to be a little patient. The world is on pause, so it's okay for you to also take it slow.
Yeah.
I think ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत टाइम से हम लोग इस सिचुएशन में हैं, and that is to some extent, but at the end of the day it's only been 2 months.
Yes. Yes.
अंदर रह के and not having like a lot of things to do, that is creating this sense of पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, कब start होगा. But know that we will all have to be patient. Then make sure that you are constantly in contact with people.
Yeah.
Of course हम मिल नहीं सकते हैं लोगों से, but that does not mean कि हम उनसे बात नहीं कर सकते. Like they say, right, that it's physical distancing and not social distancing or emotional distancing.
Yeah.
You can still make sure that virtual dates you are arranging, virtual movie nights, game nights, we have so many resources right now. Make sure that you're talking to people because everyone is feeling pretty much the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
On a basic level, this is difficult for most people. So that if you talk to someone, they will understand what you are also experiencing, at least to some level. Okay, so make sure that you are doing that. Then again, when I say that make the best use of this time, does not mean कि सब कुछ कर लें.
Exactly.
I think हमारा lockdown also started with everyone saying that, we will bake and we will write and we will do all sorts of things. Do that if you want to. There's no harm in doing that if it makes you happy. If it's keeping you engaged, it's important for you to do that. But you will have to take it as a competition. कि अच्छा अभी 2 महीने मिले हैं, we have more time at home, तो हम सब कुछ करेंगे. Because at the end of the day, there are a lot of other things that are not going well for most of us. And वो जो anxiety, panic हमने जिसकी बात करी, that is still there. तो expect नहीं कर सकते कि pandemic चल रहा है and we will just forget about it and just go on with our lives.
True.
Right? So draw those boundaries, make your limits. If you are working from home, set a time. Again, one of the things that my clients have been complaining about is कि क्योंकि अभी remote working है तो वो कभी भी काम करना start कर देते हैं, कभी भी रोक लेते हैं. Working hours have just gone away. तो वो रात 12 o'clock भी they are logging in. Sometimes they are logging in early in the morning.
Yes.
Not doing work in the afternoon. So make sure that you have your hours fixed. Treat it much as you can like a regular work day. Try to not spill it over to your personal life. Otherwise it will get very chaotic. कि पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आपका personal time कब start हो रहा है और आपका वर्क टाइम कब स्टार्ट हो रहा है?
एक्चुअली पीपल से कि अभी तो सारे दिन एक जैसे हैं, सो व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट ऑल्सो कि प्लीज जो वीकेंड है उसको वीकेंड की तरह ट्रीट करो. Give yourself that,
Right.
the pamper things you usually do on weekends. Try to do
Hmm.
something special on weekend that can actually, make you feel more comfortable rather than weekdays. Because वही
Right.
आपकी बात बिल्कुल ठीक है कि रात को 12 बजे भी लॉग इन कर रहे हैं, lot of things are going with people.
Right. Right.
तो
Yeah, I think वो कुछ extent तक we can't help it, क्योंकि I think वो भी बहुत, a lot of us say कि okay, if you're working from home then you should wear clothes that you will wear to work, but obviously घर पे रह के no one is going to dress up every day.
right.
But maybe every once in a while you can
Hmm.
make sure that
Hmm.
you are, say, wearing clothes that you will not wear at home,
Hmm.
or you are not sitting on the bed and working. You
Hmm.
have a place you are working, and then you are getting up from that desk, taking breaks
Hmm.
throughout the day, knowing when your work day starts, when it ends. Weekends fit avoiding any sort of work, taking time out for yourself.
True.
Obviously अभी काफी लोगों के लिए आई थिंक वो टेकिंग टाइम आउट फॉर देमसेल्व्स मेंट कि हम बाहर जा सकते हैं, लोगों से मिल सकते हैं.
Hmm.
Weekends would be time for socializing, which is not there anymore. But
Yes.
it doesn't mean that at home you can't take time off.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
So do that, and of course, ensure that you are doing some amount of physical activity,
Hmm.
because that again makes a lot of difference to your mood. And if it's possible, I'm not even saying that work out every day, but say maybe sometimes if you can, if it is safe to do that, maybe
Hmm.
just go out for a walk just
Yeah.
around your house.
Yeah.
कुछ कुछ जगह पे I think those restrictions
Hmm.
have been lifted, so you can do that.
Hmm.
So if it is possible, then go ahead and do it. Otherwise, at home,
Hmm.
how much ever you can do,
Hmm.
make sure that you are including some sort of physical activity, because most of us are just at home.
Hmm.
Or traveling time has gone away.
Yes.
We are not going out, so it's a
Yeah.
very sedentary lifestyle.
True.
So some amount of activity will help us,
Hmm.
stay fit also, and just make sure that we're doing something to be active.
ट्रू ट्रू ट्रू. थैंक यू सो मच पल्लवी, इतना सारा सुनने को मजा भी आ रहा है आपसे. एक मेरा छोटा सा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं ऐसे या लोग हैं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम जैसे कि हम बोलते हैं कि फ्रेंड से हम बात कर लें या हम वीडियो पे फेस टाइम कर लें, वीडियो कॉलिंग
Right.
कर लें, तो द लोनलीनेस दे फील. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बात भी नहीं करना पसंद करते, राइट? उनके लिए बाहर
Hmm.
जाना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो हाउ टू डील विद द लोनलीनेस एट दिस टाइम? एंजाइटी
Right.
लेवल्स जो हाई हो जाते हैं. रूही, वी विल टेक योर क्वेश्चन, डोंट वरी, शी इज विद अस फॉर नेक्स्ट few minutes. People are shooting questions. Yeah, please carry on.
Okay. Right. Right. So I think with loneliness, again, I completely understand your point कि,
Hmm.
कुछ लोगों के लिए वो personal contact is very important कि,
True.
हमें easier लगता है कि अगर हमारे सामने कोई हो बात करने को तो हम बात कर सकते हैं. But now considering की situation, again, I think that whole question of कि ये चीज हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, अभी वो ऑप्शन नहीं है, that does not have to mean कि
Hmm.
हम किसी से बात ही नहीं करें.
Hmm.
अभी we will have to look for alternatives या next best option क्या है. If you can't talk on the phone, then maybe text
Okay.
people.
Okay.
If you don't like texting, then maybe just have, like, even if it is say a 5 to 10 minute video call once a week.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You
Hmm.
can maybe tell your friends, or even if you don't want to talk,
Hmm.
like say something as simple as अगर आप like Netflix party allows you to watch the same movie
Yeah.
with your friends.
Yeah.
So even doing that,
Hmm.
I mean, you don't have to talk, but there's still a sense of, okay, I'm doing the same thing as another person.
True.
Or
True.
like I have a lot of people right now, including me,
Hmm.
who are, say, working out with friends. So you can put your video on and work out with your friends. So that can still feel like, something you are doing with other people.
True.
So you will have to look for alternative options right here, because physically meeting them may not be possible for a while, but does not have to mean that you have to distance yourself from
True,
everyone.
true. Thank you so much, Pallavi. It was lovely. So we can now just take few questions if you are okay with it. Yeah?
Yes, yes.
Okay,
That's,
just starting from the beginning. So many questions. Just give me.
oh, okay.
So
Yeah.
the first question is from Priyanka, how to deal with overthinkers? People, there are a lot of people who overthink a lot of things. अगर ऐसा नहीं
Hmm.
होगा तो ये हो जाएगा, ये नहीं होगा, मतलब नेगेटिव चीजें ज्यादा सोचते हैं, तो उनके लिए आप कुछ टिप्स देना चाहते हो?
Right. I think one very easy way of doing this is कि if you are, you are thinking too much about things,
हम्म.
maybe try writing it down.
ओके.
So just write down कि okay, this is all I'm thinking of, and
ओके.
firstly, when you write it down, it helps in the sense कि it's not only in your head.
ओके.
In your head, when you are thinking about things, you are also feeling a certain emotion along with it.
ओके.
The minute you give it words, like they say, right, it's a very, like in our brain, there is the emotional brain and there is your thinking brain, right?
ओके.
Till the time you don't give it words, it's all in your emotional brain, but
ओके.
the minute you write it or you say it out loud to someone, it moves into your thinking brain,
ओके.
right? So that itself helps. And you can really look at, what is worrying me.
हम्म.
या अगर ये सोच रही हूँ तो वो क्यों मुझे वरी कर रहा है, what is the concern here, okay, is this something which is valid? Now some of our thoughts are also going to be maybe not very likely, कि हो सकता है कि हम बहुत मैग्नीफाई कर रहे हैं या कैटास्ट्रोफाइज कर रहे हैं कि अच्छा बहुत कुछ बुरा हो सकता है, बट हाउ लाइकली इज इट कि वो एक्चुअली होने वाला है,
ओके.
right? Then even if it is going to happen, what can you do about it? Then
ओके.
make your plan of, okay, this is something that will help, this is something that will not help, okay, or maybe I can talk to this person to get suggestions.
ओके.
We say that we are overthinking, which basically just means that we are just thinking about the same thing in the same manner.
ओके.
There's nothing wrong with thinking a lot about things. If they are affecting you, it's important to think about them.
ओके.
But make sure that every once in a while you're getting a different perspective, which is also literally what we do in therapy,
ऑलराइट.
right? कि उसमें भी people are just coming to me and saying that, this is worrying me. Abhi, I can't take away their worries for them.
ओके.
But I can always give a different perspective to that situation, or
To
I
look
can give
out
some
for
sort of
that
suggestion.
situation. Yeah.
Yeah,
मतलब
yeah,
जिसको कहते हैं दूसरे नजरिए से आप इसको देखिए, राइट?
exactly. Yes, exactly.
Great. So thank you so much. The next question is from Ruhi. Her sleeping pattern is really disturbed during the lockdown. She's saying अगर वो टाइम पे सोना भी चाहती है तो she कभी नींद नहीं आती, and that is the main thing. So how she can improve, sleeping pattern during this time?
Right, right. So there's something what we call usually in therapy as sleep hygiene. So usually, before bedtime, like one of the, maybe if you're reading news before bedtime, maybe don't do that. If you're on social media or using like your phone too much, maybe try not doing that. Or like cut it down a little bit. Maybe even if you say that, half an hour before going off to sleep, you are not going to do it, or do something instead which is relaxing for you.
Okay.
Like, that could mean that, like some people will color before bedtime just because it's very relaxing as an activity, or you will listen to music, or you are reading.
Read a
Mainly
book.
just
Yeah.
do something which is a little relaxing, which also keeps you engaged, but it's not something that's going to distress you.
Okay.
Right? Or like a lot of people, if they can't sleep, then they will turn to relaxation exercises. Like a lot of these apps, like the Calm, Headspace, a lot of these apps have these meditative, like guided meditation or
Yes.
sleep
Yes.
stories.
Yes.
So you can always hear that, and that can help you relax. And there is like a step-by-step instruction to
True.
okay, you focus on your breathing or you relax your muscles. So those kinds of things can also really help. Or even say journaling for that matter. If you feel that something is bothering you a lot and that is why you can't sleep, then maybe it is a good habit to just write it all down, and then intentionally tell yourself that, I will visit it tomorrow morning, or I will think about it tomorrow, or, the next day, and then see how I feel about it.
What I personally
Uh,
feel here also, Pallavi, that people like the question turned up, they should able to make their goals and start writing throughout the day, that I have to do this,
hmm,
like you are saying, try to listen to music, read, क्योंकि वो
hmm,
हैबिट में डालना, जैसे आप बता रहे हैं, मे बी एक दिन में तो कोई फॉलो करेगा नहीं, till
of
the
course,
time they gonna read it again and again, I think that gonna
yeah,
really help कि आज मैंने रीडिंग करी 10 मिनट या नहीं करी, मैंने कुछ किया अपने लिए, कुछ किया कि नहीं, बिकॉज इस लॉकडाउन में
hmm,
मुझे ये भी लग रहा है कि कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ अपनी फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए ही सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, they are not able
yeah,
to do anything for
absolutely,
themselves, right? So this is the
yeah,
time that at least, और कुछ नहीं तो दिन में आधा घंटा अपने आप को दें और कुछ अच्छा करें अपने
yeah.
लिए जो उनको अच्छा फील कराए, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. And I think even if it's not half an hour, like I remember even before this lockdown, कुछ working mothers who would say that, हमारे पास बिल्कुल time नहीं है. I think some simple things that they would do is morning की my morning tea is something जो मैं खुद से अपने अकेले बैठ के, maybe balcony में, like 15-20 minutes I will
Yes,
just take for my.
true.
That's also enough. And in those 15-20 minutes, you don't use your phone, you don't, talk to anyone. You
True.
are just with yourself and you are just taking that moment to calm down. I think
True.
that also sometimes is very helpful.
Great, great. So, Pallavi, we have a lot of questions till now. So, what I will personally
Okay.
say, people who would like to personally, have any questions, you can even direct message at Go Fitness Academy, or you can directly connect with Pallavi. We can share her Instagram handle with you, and you can even people who feel to take sessions with her, any counseling, she's there for you and she's there to help you out. And Pallavi, if you want to say any your message for everyone, one last question, if you can just answer for us, people who are dealing with breakups these days, or if they have loss in a family during anything,
Hmm.
how to cope up with these people? Rest they will message you directly.
Right. Again, I think it's extremely difficult to go through any sort of loss at this time, whether it is the loss of a relationship, of a job, or a person in your life. I think I would just say that it is definitely going to be difficult. It
Hmm.
is going to take some time. Don't try to avoid those feelings, or don't try to rush it,
Okay.
um, because it does take time. It takes a while for us to accept it, to deal with it, to manage our stress out of it. Talk to people,
Hmm.
whoever it is, maybe it's your friends, family members, a therapist. I think a lot of my clients, after they have lost someone, or a breakup, or a job loss, the reason they come to therapy is just that they think that, if I tell someone else, maybe they'll judge me, or I have told them so many times that I think they don't want to hear it anymore.
Okay.
So which is why I want to talk to you about it.
Okay.
So even that's like a good option that you can explore, and, talk to people, do things that will keep you distracted.
Mm-hmm.
Have a balance. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि you have to keep yourself busy all the time,
Mm-hmm.
because that will only create more stress. It will exhaust you. It will create all the more problems for you.
Mm.
So keep a balance between keeping busy, and also taking time for yourself, and, just dealing with whatever you're going through.
Great, great. Thank you so much, Pallavi, for joining us. And people who have like joined us for the session, guys, feel free to connect with Pallavi at Instagram. Her handle is available on the poster we have shared. You can send her a direct message. और अगर आपको handle नहीं मिलता तो आप please हमें direct message करिए. We will help you to connect with her. And it was a really wonderful session, Pallavi. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining in. We would love to have you again very soon.
Thank you so much for having me. I would also love to connect if, I know that we didn't have time to answer all the questions, but in
Yes.
case there are a lot of other doubts, I'd be happy to sort of connect again.
Sure.
And maybe I can just leave my email ID here in the comments, because
Yes,
sometimes when
definitely.
people DM me, I might miss it
Okay.
because I don't know who's DMing me. So email ID is like the easiest way to get in touch with
Sure,
me.
sure. So, guys, you can connect with her through email also. She's available on the email. You can message her, email her, and I think that's the best we can do for you. And thank you so much, Pallavi, for joining in.
Thanks, Kyle, for having me. It was lovely talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. You take
Bye
care.
bye. So guys, that was our Pallavi, the counselor. I hope सबके क्वेश्चंस हमने आंसर करे होंगे आज. मैं इतनी सी बात आप लोगों को बोलना चाहूंगी आफ्टर एंडिंग दिस सेशन विद पल्लवी. इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम विच यू फील कि आप लोग खुद नहीं डील कर सकते, यू कैन कॉल हर, यू कैन मैसेज हर, you can email her. She can be there for your help to answer all your queries. Meanwhile, थोड़ा सा अपने लिए टाइम निकालिए, चाहे सुबह के 10 मिनट हो, चाहे रात के 10 मिनट हो. गिव योर सेल्फ, मेक श्योर आप फील करें कि ये 10 मिनट मैंने अपने आप को दिए हैं. एंड दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग आई कैन से. Stay safe, stay at home, keep talking with your friends, do a lot of video chatting with your friends, do a lot of workout. You can join us anytime you feel. And don't forget to join me alive tomorrow with Dr. Dhananjay More at 1. We'll be shooting out a poster soon. He's covering a lot of important things on diabetes. So stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you so much. Bye bye.